Hi, I'm Julie, a speech-language pathologist editor at Super Duper Publications, and I want to give you an overview of one of our great practical tools for fluency or stuttering therapy. It's focused on fluency, and it's written by Kristen Camella. You can use it with your students about ages 7 to 13, and you can pick and choose the items or resource materials within the kit. There are 5 different sections in the kit, and they're all color-coded. There's education, which is the blue section. It'll teach students about stuttering. Desensitization is red, and it'll help children learn about attitudes and feelings related to stuttering. The green section is basic communication, and that'll give some simple tools that they can implement as they work on their stuttering and good speaking. Last is the yellow box and the purple. Yellow is fluency shaping, which helps children speak in an easier, more relaxed manner. And purple is stuttering modification, which helps children change their stuttering before, during, and after. A few of the items you get in the kit are the activity book. This is loaded with activities to go along with the resource materials. As well, you get 3 different posters to help teach children about stuttering. There's What is True? It lists facts about stuttering. There are Ways to Help My Speech, which is a visual reminder poster for different techniques to use when stuttering. Then there's the My Speech Machine poster, and this helps children realize all the different body parts that work together to help them produce speech. So in the education section, or the blue section of Focus on Fluency, you get many different tools. There's a My Speech Machine magnet board. You also get a super silly speech board where children will take turns rolling die, moving their pawns around the board. They'll land on a spot and practice saying sentences off the super silly speech cards in a couple different ways, like nice speech versus mean speech. So they'll be able to understand a little bit more about the way they're saying things. Then we have myth and fact paddles that students will hold up when you read different facts about stuttering or myths. Nugget to learn a little more from this. As well, we have the belly button with the belly breathing cards. There's different activities on the cards, and children can place this belly button on their bellies. This helps them learn about diaphragmatic or belly breathing. You can also have children lie on their backs when they use this tool. And next is the red section, or desensitization. So again, you can pick and choose the materials the students that you're working with need for their stuttering. There are silly stutter cards, where kids practice saying different kinds of stutters. And they can toss a beanbag around to each other with the cards in front of them, and then whoever catches the beanbag has to say that silly stutter on the card. There are also My Thoughts cards, where students can say what they think about stuttering, or they could even write their feelings in a journal, if you're not going to have a discussion about it. What's True cards are a way for students to, again, learn what the facts are about stuttering. We also have weekly check-in speech wheels. There's a blank wheel where you can write your own statements, or there's one that's pre-made for you. And students take a turn spinning this. You read the prompt, and they finish the question. So again, it's a way to have a discussion about stuttering. In the green section, or basic communication, you have visual prompt discussion cards. There's a visual on one side and discussion questions on the back. This will again help children learn more about stuttering, and you can use these cards during your intervention as reminders or cues. There's eye contact, wait time, pausing, and turn taking. And these different prompt cards go along with the playing cards for the children. So they'll take turns saying different phrases or answering different questions using these different basic communication techniques. One of the fun pieces of this part of the kit is the clicker. As children are playing games, they're going to monitor each other. And if they're not using eye contact or wait time, whatever the skill may be, the other children get to click the clicker, and then they get to steal the cards. And in the yellow section, or easy beginnings, this is one of those techniques for fluency shaping. So again, you'll get a visual prompt card, again to use as a reminder during your intervention, along with discussion questions on the back. And then children can use this in conjunction with the easy beginning cards where they practice saying words, phrases, and sentences. And the last part of Focus on Fluency is the purple section, or stuttering modification. Again, there are several visual prompt cards with discussion questions on the back. There's techniques for fake stutters, cancellation, and pull-out. And again, you can use these with the playing cards for the students. Focus on Fluency includes an instructional manual that's 88 pages. It has reproducible activities, contract, and charting cards. There's a printable CD-ROM with color handouts and activities, 10 card decks, 2 sets of discussion strips, a game board with cards and playing pieces, a magnetic board with 7 magnets. There's 8 visual prompt and discussion cards, 7 manipulatives, and 3 educational posters. So as you can see, Focus on Fluency is a great creative toolkit for stuttering intervention that you can use with your students. We also have a wonderful video that's been done by author Kristen Camella. She'll show you Focus on Fluency, and you'll get to see several video examples of her using this kit with students. To learn more about Focus on Fluency, visit us at superduperinc.com or go on our Facebook page, and we'd love to hear what you think about Focus on Fluency.